Hello and welcome. Our topic for the day is finding arcs and angles in the inscribed angles. Let's understand the concept first. An inscribed angle is an angle formed by two chords in a circle which have a common endpoint. Let's look at the circle taken as an example over here. It says inscribed angle is an angle formed by two chords. AB and CB are the two chords which have a common endpoint. B is the common endpoint, and this is the angle X formed. So this is called the inscribed angle. This common endpoint forms the vertex of the inscribed angle that we just saw. B is the vertex of the angle ABC. The other 2 points define what we call the intercepted arc. The other 2 points are A and C, and A and C forms the arc AC forms the intercepted arc. So in simple words we can say that an inscribed angle is an angle with its vertex on the circle formed by two intersecting chords. Let's understand this property also. Let the measure of arc, the intercepted arc, be AC. Therefore measure of angle ABC is half of the measure of the arc. So measure of the inscribed angle is equals to half of the measure of the intercepted arc. If 100 degrees is the measure of the intercepted arc, then the inscribed angle is half of it, that is half of 100 degrees, which is equals to 50 degrees. Therefore X is 50 degrees in this case, that is the inscribed angle. Let's understand some more properties with the help of the questions. Solve. Here we are given a circle. Measure of angle ACD is 58 degrees. ACD is this angle, this is 58 degrees. What is the measure of angle CAD? We have to find out this angle. Let this be X. Now here we'll be using a property that angle inscribed in a semicircle is a right angle. If we look at the figure over here, AC is a diameter and a triangle is being formed, that is ABC. Now measure of angle ABC is half of the measure of the arc AC. Now the full circle is 360 degrees, so half of the circle, that is measure of arc AC, would be 180 degrees. So the measure of angle ABC is equal to half of measure of arc AC, which is equals to 90 degrees. Therefore the angle inscribed in a semicircle is a right angle. So this is the angle ABC is 90 degrees. Similarly, let's look at the question given to us. AC is the diameter, so therefore in the given question measure of arc AC is 180 degrees. Now measure of angle ADC would be 90 degrees because that is the inscribed angle, and we use the property we stated above. Now we know two angles of the triangle, we can find out the third one. So X plus 58 plus 90 equals to 180 degrees. Sum of the angles of the triangle is 180 degrees. So now we'll put the add 90 with 58. So X plus 148 equals to 180 degrees. We subtract 148 from both sides. Sorry, this is 148. This becomes 0. X equals to 180 minus 148, that is equals to 32 degrees. Therefore the value of, or the measure of angle CAD equals to 32 degrees. This is the final answer. Can be seen in option A. Let's move on to the next question. Solve. Here we are given a circle. Measure of angle CAD is 58 degrees. What is the measure of angle CBD? That is this angle. Now we'll use another property. In a circle, two inscribed angles with the same intercepted arc are congruent. If we see in this circle over here, we are having two angles A and B. These are having the same intercepted arc, that is, this arc is the common, or we can say the same arc. So angle A is congruent to angle B, or that is the value of A is equal to B. Coming back to the question, here we say that measure of angle CAD is 58 and we have to find out the measure of angle CBD. Now both these angles are having the same arc, or are having the same intercepted arc, that is CD. If we look carefully, this is also like this, and let's use a different color. So here this is for this angle, that is this arc is same. So therefore, as per the property, measure of angle CAD is equals to measure of angle CBD. Now CAD is given to us as 58 degrees, therefore this is equals to measure of angle CBD. This is the final answer, can be seen in option C. Let's look at the next question. Solve. In a circle with center D, measure of angle ADB, that is this angle is 53. What is the measure of angle ACB? Here on the top. So again we look at a property. In a circle, the measure of the inscribed angle is half the measure of the central angle with the same intercepted arc. Now here in the question we see that AB is the arc which is forming the central angle, that is the angle at the center. Here we have defined that also. A central angle is any angle whose vertex is located at the center of the circle. So angle ADB in the given question is the central angle, while angle ACB is the inscribed angle, and both are formed by the arc with the arc AB. So now the relationship is that measure of angle ACB is equals to half of the measure of angle ADB. So this is what you have to find out. Measure of angle ACB is half of ADB is given to us as 53 degrees. So half of 53 is 26.5 degrees is the measure of angle ACB. This is the final answer, can be seen in option A. I hope finding arcs and angles in inscribed angles is easy now. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.